Mumbai once again woke up to rains in the morning today. Heavy rains continue to lash the maximum city. On Wednesday, remember, yesterday the city witnessed unseasonal rains during winter due to a cyclonic circulation over Arabian Sea. The rains were the second highest yesterday in a 24-hour period that Mumbai has ever seen in December. In fact, it also led to a drop of temperature by 9 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, fishermen have been advised once again not to venture into the sea today. Remember, this comes in at a time, of course, when at this hour, at this point in time, at 8 o'clock in the morning, the rains in Mumbai is, of course, going to cause a lot of traffic chaos. That's what the city usually witnesses every time it rains. Yesterday, also, a lot of people were impacted in terms of the traffic being thrown awry because of the rains, unseasonal rains lashing Mumbai, and as we mentioned, it was the second highest 24-hour rains in December that Mumbai has seen. Even as we talk about today's predictions, Met Department has said that it's going to be mostly moderate showers, moderate rains throughout the city, but heavy rains are also likely in a few isolated places. Let me go across to my colleague Shivani for more on this. Shivani, since yesterday rather, it's been raining heavily in Mumbai. What's the situation of the traffic out there?
See, first of all, here the situation is under control here in Mumbai, but several parts like Dadar and Parel have witnessed, in fact, the suburbs parts of Mumbai have witnessed heavy traffic jam yesterday due to the constant rainfall. And in fact, since morning yesterday till late in the night, the rains were showering, and today it has been said that it will be a little cloudy and only few isolated places will be facing or rains will take place over there. But it has also been said by the IMD that people should not move outside their houses, especially where there is low tide area. BMC has also settled the alert of orange. Orange alert has been issued. But of course, talking about the traffic side, then of course suburbs will be facing some areas like Andheri, Jogeshwari and Malad will be suffering to traffic even today.
Right. As you said, that there are certain low-lying areas of Mumbai which are, of course, always a matter of concern. And it's just 8 o'clock. We'll, of course, have to wait and see the kind of impact that rains in Mumbai have through the day. But especially with regard to the predictions today, Shivani, if you could just tell our viewers what, and especially the residents of Mumbai and surrounding areas, what can they expect?
Here, first of all, let us tell our viewers that BMC's automatic weather stations yesterday recorded the maximum rainfall in eastern suburbs between 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And that is what is also expected today. In fact, the BMC has also said that areas like Santa Cruz and Colaba, which recorded 41 mm and 43 mm rainfall yesterday, that is also going to, face the same kind of rainfall today, because these are especially areas like Juhu, Marine Drive, Nariman Point. They have been people have been said not to go to that site, though high tide is not expected, but still it has been clearly mentioned that a huge rainfall can also be expected by late evening. That is what we are learning as of now. But the rain sparked a few in a Mercury with both and Colaba and Santa Cruz logging maximum temperature of 24.8 degrees yesterday. So even today, it has been said that the weather is going to be cool. Unlike yesterday, not entire Mumbai is going to face the rainfall, but definitely few parts of Mumbai will be facing rainfall today. But by late evening, weather may change to heavy rainfall.
Right, Shivani, there. Thank you so much for joining us on this. I'll also be joined by my colleague Arunil in a couple of minutes. But essentially, what we can in fact see is that because of the rains in Mumbai, there is, of course, prediction today in terms of moderate rains, and some isolated places could see thunder showers, thunderstorm along with heavy rains. But that is a prediction by the Met Department at the moment. In the morning, as Shivani was saying, traffic is still normal. It's not been majorly impacted yet, but as we said, that even yesterday, as the day progressed, the intensity of the rainfall increased. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil. Arunil, in terms of, we were talking about the weather predictions today with Shivani. In terms of the preparations by the Mumbai civic authorities, what did you see? How was the situation handled yesterday, and what kind of preparations have also been made today?
Well, one can say that the preparations were more or less satisfactory. Yes, more than 30 mm rainfall was received in a day yesterday. So this is the second highest rainfall that has been received in the month of in these months of November and December, one can say, in the last 10, 1 decade. In 10 years, this is the second highest rainfall that was received. Now, one issue that many people faced were this is a season of weddings, so there are many open weddings that have been held. There are many other events like engagement ceremonies, birthday parties. So people who had these kind of events in open grounds, they had to make alternate arrangements because this rainfall is not expected in Mumbai during these months of November and December. With respect to the preparedness, or with respect to the measures that were taken by the BMC, one can say that it was satisfactory because there was no waterlogging that could be seen anywhere. Yes, it was not raining heavily. It was raining continuously from morning till early morning today, so around 24 hours.
Right.
But the rainfall wasn't heavy. One can say it was continuous and it was drizzling. So probably because of that also, there was no waterlogging that could be seen. And the IMD department has predicted a yellow alert for the Mumbai city for the next 3 days. So we will have to play a wait and watch game and see if the rainfall increases and then ascertain the measures taken by the BMC and the other authorities.
Right, Arunil there. Thank you so much. Arunil and Shivani tracking the rain updates in the city for us. Thank you so much for joining us with that.